Hurricanes have been ranked by their strength on a scale of 1 to 5 for decades. Now the National Weather Service is taking some of those ideas and putting them into an impact scale for winter storms. Ryan Bretton's here to explain how this works. Good morning, Ryan.
Hey, Lindsay. Good morning, everybody. The first thing to recognize is that there is a big difference in the evolution of a hurricane and a winter storm. Hurricanes we can watch for days, if not weeks, and say this is a Category 1 hurricane, for example. But winter storms evolve, really. This is the storm. Doesn't look like much now out over the Rockies, but as it moves east, it's going to strengthen. It will get bigger as it moves into the East Coast. So this scale is more of an impact scale for a location when they get hit by the storm. This is what it looks like, and it has 5 categories, starting with limited, which basically means there's no impact, all the way up to extreme, which would be somewhat of an unprecedented storm. And the most unique thing about this scale is that it takes into account the different areas of the country. For example, 6 inches of snow in Maine is quite a bit different in terms of impact than 6 inches of snow in Philadelphia. So looking at this scale for this upcoming storm, you can see a lot of Pennsylvania, northern Maryland, all the way into southern Connecticut are at a 4, a major impact, with some places getting over a foot of snow. And there is a small area north of Philadelphia where this is actually on the top of the scale, a 5, an extreme impact, with likely some places getting up around 18 inches of snow. Now here in Maine, you've heard Todd talk about how we are just going to be on the northern edge of this storm, and for most of us it's just a 1, a limited impact. But notice York County, they're in a 2, southern York County. That's where it could be a minor impact with some disruption for travel. So this is a scale that's been developed primarily for the government, decision makers trying to figure out where resources should go, but it's also good for you if you have any plans to travel and a storm is coming up the coast. It's very obvious where the impacts will be much worse. Live in the studio this morning, I'm meteorologist Ryan Bretton, News Center, Maine.